want to show you how to play Sin in the Clowns by Judy Collins. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction, because the introduction has most of the melodic information for the whole song. And it starts off with right hand only, so you can play this with right hand only and get the melody. So we're in the key of E flat, but we start off on an A flat. A flat, B flat, E flat, E flat. A flat, B flat, E flat, E flat. F, G, E flat, G, F, G, 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 B flat, B flat, C. Now right here the left hand's going to come in. C, E flat, A flat, B flat. And you're going to come in with an E flat, B flat, E flat. Open fifth on E flat. Fill out the arpeggio with G, B flat, E flat. G, B flat, E flat. A flat, B flat, E flat. So it'll sound like. Do it again. But this time the melody takes that last A flat, B flat, E flat. Then hit the E flats together, pause for a second, and then B flat, E flat, G, B flat, and E flat. Do it again. Lift off the left hand so it's the vocal only right there. Then we go up here to the F, G. F, G, E flat, F, G, G. Then bring this hand up and play the E flat G right there. So you don't wait too long on that G. And when you go to the C, you're into the A flat chord. A flat, C flat, C, E flat, G, A flat, C, E flat, A flat, B flat. When we get to here, we're going to go G, B flat, E flat, B flat, C, E flat, A flat, B flat, E flat, and we'll do it twice. So we'll have. And you want to make it lazy as you can going through it. So up to that point, up to the second verse, I'll play it here for you without me talking. The second verse. Now the second verse is just about the same with a few little changes. One is they put an oboe line in there that goes E flat, F, D, E flat in the accompaniment. So she'll sing, and then the oboe comes in with. So if you know an oboe player, you can have the oboe play that little line right there for you. I'm going to change that harmony to be A flat, C, E flat, G, which gives it the A flat seventh. So we go. And here we'll get an E flat ninth in there. Now this time we're going to anticipate that with the G. So we'll go G, B flat, E flat, G in the right hand. We're going into that bridge chorus now and the bridge chorus is D, G, F, G. And then there's a little accompaniment line in there that's A, F, G. Little answer, D, G, F, G, A, F, G. D, A, F, G, A, B flat, B flat, B flat, A, F, G. So let's get into it, and we'll for the left hand I'm going to go G, B, D flat. So we'll just rock your hand G, B, D, B flat. So rock off of the G, I hit the D with the middle finger and then the thumb on the B flat, and I sustain it. So what we've actually got in the harmony there is a G ninth. But it's broken up over a few octaves there. You've got G, D, B flat, A, F, G. And it's woven with the melody. So here we go together. Here, all I'm going to do in the left hand is G, D, G, and then I'm going to have a C minor, C, E flat, G, and I'm going to put the seventh in the right hand, B flat, C, E flat, G. So I'm going to go right up the arpeggio of a C minor seventh. Stay in close harmony, and I'm going to go to an F right here. Now here the melody is D, G, D, E flat, F, 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 G, 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 F, C, D. And then they're going to go to, she's going to sing B, E flat, B, D. And then C, E flat, G, B flat. And I'll show you what the harmony will do right there. So we get to that C minor, C minor seventh, F in the bass, G in the bass, D, A, open fifth, and then I want you to go to F and A flat. And then F and A flat again. Here we're going to go to the B flat 7. And then we do it again just with the instrument. Slow it down just a little bit. That'll be a little tag for that bridge chorus. So once again you're going to have the tonation there, the harmony is a chord we're getting is a D, F, A flat, B. Okay. And we play it. Then do a D minor. See, we got a D minor without the fifth, or without the third, and then we go to this. Then we have a C in there. Now right there, you've got an F minor seventh. And we end it with the G coming down in that melody, and then B flat seventh. And then we're into the third verse. Put that opal part in there again. Now here we've got dee-dee-da-da-da-da-da-dee. The rhythm is changed just a little bit. Each time that line changes depending on the words. Once again, that A flat 7. And then we sing to a B flat chord, B flat 7, with an added 6th. See, we've got B flat, D, F, G, A flat. Jazzes it up just a little bit. And I play the G, A flat with my right hand because it's right there. Do it again. Right there we're going into an instrumental interlude. And what I'm going to do with that instrumental interlude, we come out of that B flat 7 to the E flat chord, but the E flat will go E flat, B flat, E flat, G, B flat, C, E flat, A flat, B flat, E flat. Do it again, but take your right hand up an octave. And then you start the melody right there in the right hand. So we go right up and then hold back on these. Now take the melody up another octave and put a chord in at the end. G, B flat, E flat. Put the E flat chord with the E flat on top. Play the F right here. So what we're doing there is we're taking it up an octave, getting way up into here, not too far, but we're taking the melody up an octave to give that sense of an instrumental interlude, and then we'll bring it back down. So let me play it in context there so you can see it together without me talking. And see, I've changed the melody there because we don't have words, so I'm just going to go F, G, E flat, F, G, and then hit the E flat and G together. So when we come out of that, we'll go right into the E flat in this octave, B flat C. Now here, we'll do it again, but we'll drop down octave and a half. And we're ready for the fourth verse, tag verse, vocal. And a little bit of an abbreviated oboe right there. The whole chord there, B flat, E flat, G. Now here, the only notes I'm going to hit, I'm going to leave out the fifth, I'm going to leave out the F, I'm going to go B flat, D, A flat, keep it an open, airy sound. Lift off for the vocal. This time just hit the triad at B flat, D, F. Lift off for the vocal and slow it down. And make that F, make it like you want everybody to wait forever for you to come down to that E flat. So what I do there at the end, I actually play the ending a little bit longer than what I've got written in the letter notes, because I didn't really have the room to get the whole ending in there on the letter notes. So I do that twice. So right after the F, E flat, I play this regular thing that we've done before. And then I arpeggiate it going up. But I end it with G, A flat, B flat, and then a dyad right there, E flat and A flat. Suspend that A flat and resolve it to the G. So let me play that, and now and I'll slow it down so that you can see everything that I'm doing. There you have it. It's a beautiful song, Sin in the Clowns by Judy Collins. Hope you enjoy playing it.